The night sky over the Red Sea is glowing again. Missiles, radars, gunfire, and a message that is louder than words. Because while diplomacy is happening in conference room, military signals are flashing on the battlefront scenes, and this time, the spotlight is on Iran's shadow network and its growing response to rising US pressure. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Triti Yatri, and let's slow this down because this story is bigger than it looks. Tensions exploded after Donald Trump issued fresh warnings to Iran. Warnings of severe consequences, warnings backed not just by speeches but by warships. Washington has moved additional naval power into the region, signaling readiness, signaling strength, and signaling deterrence. But then something happened far from Washington. The response did not come directly from Iran, by the way, it came from one of its strongest regional allies, the Houthis. And their message was not delivered through any diplomacy, it was delivered through visuals, through weapons, and through military theaters. Well, there are new footage that began circulating. Footage showing radar systems scanning the skies, launch platforms standing ready, armed fighters preparing for incoming threats. Then the sky lit up. Missile launched, tracers streaked across darkness, a full display of readiness, carefully captured, carefully released. But this was not any random military training. Experts believe that this was psychological messaging, basically a signal aimed at the US and possibly at Israel. A warning that if Iran faces direct strike, its allies may open multiple pressure points across the region. And the timing is extremely sensitive. Just days earlier, another video surfaced, a short, dramatic clip showing a ship burning at the sea, while a one-word chilling caption, and that was soon. Shipping companies, insurers, and global trade, well, everybody noticed. Because the Red Sea is not just water, right? It is one of the world's busiest trade arteries. A single disruption over there can shake global market. And in the meanwhile, American naval power is moving closer. The aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln has reached waters near Iran. Carrier strike groups are floating fortresses. Each one carries fighter jets, missile system, and thousands of personnel. So when carriers move, they really move for symbolism alone. But here's the diplomatic twist. While missiles flash in the sky, talks continue on the ground. Negotiations were recently held in Muscat, and the next round is expected in Genoa. Two completely different worlds, one discussing peace, the other one preparing for possible conflict here.